Gazelle.
Oh, hi, Rumi. Wow, your uniform is so gorgeous. You look great.
Thanks, you too.
And since you've changed, it's time for you to head to your respective schools.
Woohoo! Wanna go?
Bye-bye.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome to the Gold School, Rumi.
I'm so happy to be here. Rumi, we're so glad you're studying with us.
Can we have an autograph, please?
No problem. Hand me a pen, please.
Yeah.
Can we take a picture with you?
Huh?
Of course.
Let me take your picture. 1, 2, and another one. Great.
Rumi, you're awesome. Thanks for your help.
Rumi, I need to talk to you.
About what?
Huh?
I want you to represent our school at this talent competition.
Wow, I'd love to.
Woohoo!
But I need to prepare.
What do we do? Don't worry, I'll help. Thank you, you're a lifesaver. Always happy to help. Let's take some gold decorative tape and a plastic box. Stick it onto the box. Cover the entire box.
Wow.
Let's make black and white keys from foam sheet. Glue them onto our gold box like keys. You can start playing already. Let's add the Huntrix logo. I'll glue one on each side of the logo. Cut off the handles from the forks. Join them at an angle and place our synthesizer on them.
Wow, it's so fabulous. Amazing, I'm thrilled.
Thank you.
Now you can prepare for the competition properly.
I'm starting to rehearse.
I'll help you.
Wow, this is a hit.
Yeah, Rumi is definitely gonna win.
Rumi, we believe in you.
Rumi, you're the best. So this is my classroom.
Wow.
Where is everyone?
It's Gazelle. Oh, wow, Gazelle, you're so cool. We love you. Your uniform is amazing.
Thanks.
And your hairstyle is lit.
Can we take a picture with you?
Yes.
Stand together. I'll take your picture. Say cheese. Oh, this is popularity.
Gazelle, have you seen this yet?
Seen what?
We're having a talent show.
Well, sounds great. I want to participate too.
Yes, do it.
But I don't have anything to perform with. Don't worry, I'll help you. For this craft, I'll need some silver foam sheet. I'll place the guitar pattern on it, trace it. I'll spread glue on the back and join them. From the paper blank, I'll cut out the body and then make another element in that shape from darker foam sheet. Now I'll take the decorative part and cut out a similar shape from rhinestone fabric. I'll add a few more elements. Decorate it all with rhinestones. Wow, what a stylish guitar! Awesome, thanks! Gazelle, you're so talented! Okay, now I'm ready. I wonder what Rumi is up to.
Now I need to do some stretching for my dance. But where can I practice?
Huh?
There's no space here at all. I can't do this without you.
Help.
Okay. I have an idea. I'll need paper tubes, sushi sticks,
a plastic cap, nail polish, black fabric, gold foil, glitter foam sheet, and scissors.
cut a thin strip of foam sheet, and using the plastic cap, and cut it out. And attach the foam sheet circle. Make 2 of these pieces. Cut a small piece from a sushi stick and wrap it with gold ribbon. Glue the sticks vertically to the caps. Now cut off some foil and wrap it around the paper tubes. Cover the side of the nail polish lid with black mesh fabric. Cut a hole in a strip of gold foam sheet and wrap it around the lid's side. Rhinestones into the opening and also attach a handle at the Huntrix logo. Let's remove everything unnecessary. Oops! The synthesizer and even the board. Now the ballet bar and the speaker will go here. What do you think? Let's go, Rumi!
Wow, great! I have a dance studio. What should I do at the bar?
Place your foot on the bar and do some stretching.
Got it.
Woohoo! Wow!
Look, it's Rumi. It looks like she's preparing for something. Let's go closer. Hi, Rumi.
Hi.
What are you doing? Preparing for the talent competition. Oh, wow. Can we dance with you?
Huh?
Yes, please. Then let's get started.
They watch, they talk, but I don't care. I'm climbing
amazing! Thanks for the support. By the way, girls, come to the competition too. It'll be thrilling.
Thanks, Rumi. We'll be there.
Bye-bye.
I wonder how Gazelle is doing.
Huh?
I've already finished my stretching. Now it's time for me to create a stunning look for my performance. Got it. Then let's get started immediately. For this craft, I'll need chocolate. I love sweet. Let's remove the foil and use it as a base for the dress. Wow, rad! Now let's take some metal decor with charms, take them apart, and attach them to the dress on the sides. It looks top-notch. I need to decorate the hairstyle. Let's take some rhinestone strings and wrap them around the horns. We can remove this bow. Let's make a different one from decorative ribbon. Carefully fold it and secure it with a brooch. Yes, this looks much better. And now let's decorate Gazelle's shoes with these stylish rhinestones. Wow, what a gorgeous outfit we've created. Gazelle, you look absolutely stunning. With this outfit, you'll definitely conquer the stage. Now I'm definitely ready. Will you escort me to the competition? Of course, let's go. What are we going to ride in? I don't know. Any ideas? Oh, look, a carriage. Is that really for us?
Girls, this one is mine. See ya!
Bye.
Well, great. So what are we supposed to ride in?
What?
Oh my gosh, what a cutie. I could ride it. Oh no. Hey, where are you going? Wait! Gone. Don't be sad. We'll figure out something. How about my skateboard? Are you sure? Look at me ride. Amazing. Hop on. Oh, well, okay then. Seems like it doesn't work. Agreed. What do we do? All right. I'll take care of it. Let's take some glitter foam sheet and rhinestones. Cut the gold foam sheet to the shape of the hood, apply double-sided tape, and attach it to the hood. We'll decorate those with silver foam sheet. Frame the windshield with gold rhinestones. Attach some diamonds and a large silver heart to the front. Wow, what a shiny car! It's absolutely sparkling! Gold and silver! The girls are gonna love it! Your ride is here! Wow! Oh my gosh! It's so chic! Yes, just look at that hood! Did you see the seats? Thank you for your help. We're off! So, who will win today's competition? Gold or silver? Please welcome the incredible Gazelle! Thank you, everyone. And now, please welcome Rumi. Thank you so much.
Rumi, Gazelle, you're the best. We love you. Yay!
Bravo! Well done. Excellent performances. Who will be our long-awaited winner today? Let us know in the comments who you liked more, Rumi or Gazelle. And the winner is friendship. Yay! Incredible! Let's go, guys.
Welcome aboard. Here are your seats.
Thank you.
Girls, where are your swimsuits?
What swimsuits?
We have a dress code. Swimsuits only. And only gold ones.
Oh, we need swimsuits ASAP.
Oops.
Relax, girls, I've got it.
Yay!
Okay, I place the swimsuit pattern on the gold fabric and trace around it. Here's what I've got. Now I take my small scissors and cut it out. Like this. Then I fold it and stitch it into a swimsuit. Wow, it's gorgeous!
Yay!
Fits perfectly. And I also made you a beach cover-up. Try it on. It's so cute. Rumi, you look incredible. You two look stunning too.
Much better. You look amazing. Go ahead and take your seats. Look at these soft chairs. And everything is gold. Even the window frame is gold. This is luxury.
Honestly, we deserve this vacation. Yo, hey! Oh, where do we go? Welcome aboard. These are your silver VIP seats. This plane is crazy cool.
Wow, this place is awesome. Let's throw a party.
Excuse me, sir.
Huh? What?
Sorry, but you need to change for vacation.
Of course. Okay, we're ready.
Yep, we're ready to party. But we have a silver dress code here.
What are we supposed to do?
Is this really happening?
Help!
We need new outfits. Chill, guys, I've got an idea. Just watch.
Wow, Gino, your suit looks awesome.
Hey, yeah, it's so shiny.
Thank you.
And now we just need accessories. Hey, Mystery, where's our luggage?
Our luggage? Abby, where's our luggage?
What? Luggage? Our luggage stayed on the stage. We forgot the luggage on the stage!
What? We left our luggage on stage!
We have no accessories. This is a disaster.
Don't worry, Gino, we'll figure it out. For this craft, I'm gonna need some foil. I open up a piece of foil and tear it off. I roll it into a tube and press it with my fingers so it becomes firm and solid. I grab another sheet of foil and wrap our base with it. I roll it between my hands to make the foil smoother and twist it into a ring. Here's the circle I got, but we still need more layers. So I take a thinner but longer piece of foil and start wrapping it around. Here's what I got. Perfect! I have this little duck head made from foil. I glue on a shiny beak and attach it to the ring. Then I add eyes. And that's how we get this cute foil duck floaty.
Whoa, that's awesome. Guys, check out my floaty. What do you have? And what do you have for us?
I made a silver sun hat.
Wow,
These cool sunglasses.
Wow, so cool!
we look so awesome.
Hey guys, check out my floaty.
Gino, we want one like that.
Yay, time to have fun.
Whoa, finally vacation. Yes.
Wow, so cool! Let's turn up, guys!
Whoa, a foam party right on the plane.
Woohoo!
I'm jumping in!
I love parties like this.
Look what I can do! Wow, how's that trick?
I want to do that too.
Me too. Let's go.
Rumi, we should go. Huh? What's happening over there?
Hey guys, guess who I am?
You look like Santa Claus!
Yeah, we got it. And check out my little hat.
You should see yourself, so funny.
Hey, what are you doing here?
I'm gonna catch you.
What is happening? Party's over. We're landing soon.
We're ready!
Yay, vacation.
Finally.
Get ready. We're about to land.
Yeah.
Yes!
Wait, is that a silver pool?
Move out of the way, I'm jumping.
Ah!
Don't scream like that.
What is this cringe?
Unbearable.
Yay, the pool! I want to go in too.
Don't worry, girls, I have one for you too. I'll take a plate and paint it gold. I'll need gold tape rolls. Let's wrap the edge with a golden ribbon. Now I'm cutting thin strips of golden tinsel and filling our little pool with them. Look how everything sparkles. The pool is ready.
Wow, the gold pool looks amazing. I'm going in first. So cool.
Zoe, is the water cold? Oh, wow, it's so warm. All right, I'm going in.
Girls, make some space.
Yay!
Let's take vacation pictures.
Let's take a selfie.
Say cheese. That was not a good picture. Hey, Gino, come here. We need help. Take a pic of us, please.
Oh, okay, sure. All right, smile. Let's go. You got this. Here you go. Okay, let's see the photos.
Oh no, what is this cringe? Do you guys see that? Delete them right now. We need your help. Take a cute pic of us, please.
Of course. Smile. You girls look gorgeous. Ugh, it's getting kind of boring. I want some action. Right, guys?
Totally! There's not even a single slide in a real water park.
Hey, don't be upset. I've got an idea. All right, what do we have here? This is a cat scratching post. It's actually great for turning it into a slide. I cut a piece of adhesive foil, peel off the backing, and stick it onto the scratching post. Now I need to cover the slides. I cover them with silver foil of a different texture. For that, I'll take a shoe stand. I unfold it and place it under the slide so it stays steady. Let's also make the boys a ladder. I need silver tubes and a sparkly silver cord. I cut the tube, take the cord, and glue the tubes between them. Here's the ladder. I attach it to the slide. Done! The silver slide for the Saja boys. Oh yeah!
Cool slide!
Yep, super cool.
I'm going first.
Go, Genu. Move out of the way. Woo!
Awesome! Our turn!
I'm coming down.
What?
Oh, wait, I'm still here. Yes!
Guys, this is amazing! I'm next!
This is the best.
Let's all go together. Ready? Let's go!
Check this out.
And I can do this!
Head first.
This is awesome. Hey, are you guys subscribed and tap the bell?
Okay, time to get out of the water. We've been swimming forever. Is there only one lounge chair? It's fine, girls. We'll all fit. And where exactly am I supposed to sit? Oh, wait, besties. I'll go grab something. Look what I found.
And what are we supposed to do with that?
Huh? Can you make us a big lounge bed?
Okay, girls, let's do this. For this craft, I take a cardboard box and gold fabric. I glue the fabric onto the box using hot glue. And add decorative gold trim. I attach 4 wooden sticks of golden foil curtain around the perimeter and tie them up nicely. Add a pillow, and it's done.
Thank you.
This is like a whole king-size bed. I'm going first.
Now all of us can fit. I could really go for a strawberry milkshake right now.
Here you go, Rumi. And here you go, girls. Time for some skincare. And for you, Mira, your skin is gonna glow. Huntrix are enjoying their vacation.
Such a nice breeze. I think I'm falling asleep.
Hey, Rumi, wake up! Rumi, girls, wake up, it's party time! Up you go!
I want to sleep.
You're gonna sleep through the whole vacation? The adventure is waiting! Look, a whole party is starting!
What party?
Oh, come on. Look, the boys are already hyped.
And you woke us up for this? I want to keep sleeping.
Help, we need to save the party.
No problem. Whoa, what a ball. Let's turn it into a disco ball. I take silver adhesive foil and cut it into lots of tiny squares. I take 1 square and stick it onto the ball. You want to glue the foil squares as close as possible so there are no gaps. I'm almost done. Just the finishing touches. And here's our disco ball made out of ball and foil. Glue it onto this shiny silver cord. Wow, that's perfect. Let me show the guys. Look, what's a party without a disco ball?
That is insanely cool.
Here's our DJ deck. And a cool speaker, too.
We're ready to start this party. Yeah!
What? This track is fire.
Girls, let's go.
The party's not boring anymore. Wow, it's so fun in here.
You guys really set it up here.
Our party is getting seriously wild. Yeah!
I want a DJ too. Yes, I'm a superstar DJ. Yay!
Go, Rumi!
Oh, watch this. Yes.
What do you think? You're amazing. We love it.
What an awesome party we ended up having.
Totally unforgettable vibes.
That was a legendary vacation. Whose trip did you like more? Drop your vote in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss new videos. Bye-bye!